Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Docker for reproducible data science environments. Complete guide step by step. To begin, ensure that Docker is installed on your computer. Visit the official Docker website and download the appropriate version for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions specific to your OS. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Verify the installation by typing Docker version and pressing enter. This command should display the version of Docker you have installed. Next, create a directory for your data science project. Navigate to this directory using the command line. Inside this directory, create a file named Dockerfile. This file will contain the instructions to build your Docker image. Open the Docker file in a text editor. Begin by specifying the base image for your environment. For data science projects, a common choice is Python 3.8 Slim. Add the line from Python 3.8 Slim to the Docker file. Next, specify the working directory inside the container. Add the line workdir/app to set the working directory. Next, copy your project files into the container. Add the line copy/app to copy all files from your current directory. Now, list the dependencies your project requires. Create a file named requirements.txt in the same directory. Add each required library to this file, one per line. This could include libraries such as pandas, numpy, and scikit-learn. Return to the Docker file. Add the line run pip install nocache.dir or requirements.txt to install the dependencies. To finalize your Docker file, specify what command should be run when the container starts. Add a line like cmd, python, your _script.py, to tell Docker which script to execute. Save and close the Docker file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.